Hey everyone, welcome to the community call. So I was hearing that through Zoom as well. Yeah, I'm still hearing everything I say, I'm hearing it come through Zoom back to me, and I don't have the video. I have the video up, but I have it muted. Okay. No, I didn't hear everything I just said, so that's good. Yeah. And when I unmute it, yeah, I'm not hearing you through the Zoom or through the YouTube. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Um, okay. Screen sharing is coming through. If it shows what? Stop sharing my screen. Okay. You want me to start sharing? Okay. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna start sharing, but then hmm, is it automatically going to my screen, or are you having, I just went back to sharing. Yeah.
If I turn my mic on, you're not hearing anything, any feedback from Zoom, right? Anything like that, no issues. You just hear me normally.
That's right. I just hear you normally.
Okay, then I unmute this.
That's right. I just hear you normally.
And let's check that out.
That's right. I just hear you normally.
And let's check that out. Okay, so I'm hearing my.
That I did hear an echo.
Yeah, because I'm playing the video to hear back if there's an echo.
Okay.
But there's no actual feedback because then it would be it's repeated, but there's no actual like echo. Okay, I think that's fine. But yeah, same thing. I don't call on me.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, and like I said, like if you want to say something or if there's a question you want, like Remy would always he will always like pop in when he wants to. Hey everyone, this is Jonathan from EthStaker. Welcome to community call number 62. We're going to be talking about ETH gas on this call. And we have the team with us today. We have Calvin, Kevin, and Iridian. Um, and we're excited to learn about this system and how stakers can take part and how they can support what it's doing for Ethereum. So this is going to be educational. This is going to be something where maybe you've heard of ETH gas and you've tried some things, or maybe this is your first time hearing about it. But we're going to hear from the team about their story, how what they created, and what stakers can do to technically learn how to set it up and what that looks like. We'll also have time at the end for Q&A. So for anyone listening live, send those questions in the YouTube chat or on Twitter. We'll be monitoring those things. And yeah, without any more discussion, I'll hand the call to uh, Kevin from ETHGas. So Kevin, why don't you let us know, introduce yourself and get started. All right. And Kevin, yeah, I'm Kevin. I'm the founder of ETHGas. Blah, blah, blah. Here's my story. Um, this is what we've built. This is what ETHGas is all about. Um, this is the problem that ETHGas solves. This is how you would run ETHGas with commit boost and the validator setup, technical flow, and what requirements you would need to do it. Here's the upside. Here's why stakers would do it. Here's how it benefits the network. And what does it do for the user experience of anybody using Ethereum? Um, so uh, maybe to share a little bit about what that looks like, I have a a view that I can share my screen with. So if we can, I'll go ahead and share my screen to yeah, if we're good to do that, I'll share it now. And here it goes. And here's a little bit of an so just a second while it comes through. Okay, here's a view. Now there's some questions from the community, and we want to take those questions. So, hey, now I'm Jonathan talking. Okay, here's a question. Uh, how will ETHGas work under EPBS? Um, oh, okay, now Kevin is going to answer that question. So here's how it'll work under EPBS. Here, I'll share my screen again to explain that in some more detail. Okay. Um, okay, I'm just gonna pretend like we're just doing this call again. So I'll start that now. From where I was. So I'll be like, okay, now we're in the okay, that's fine. Yeah. Yeah, I think that, and it's like kind of like it's the experience that people have when somebody shares something. Like I don't even know if Remy ever did anything to. I don't know if I think we might have always just seen that black screen. I actually don't know. Um, I think it's totally fine. Hmm. Interesting. Okay. Um. All right. Well, do you want me to just pick up where I was in the agenda and then do some like screen share or whatever, and then I'll call when we do the PO app. I'll call for that too. Okay. So yeah, we were talking about collateral slashing and trust assumptions, and this is how it's centralized and where it's not centralized, and you're relying on different entities at this point, but not other points. So it's this is how it's helping Ethereum's decentralization. Um, and then so okay, let's go take a question from YouTube. So here's one about is a bond needed for this in order to participate for a staker, and how does that work? And is it if there is a bond, is it done with an ETH or is it a different token? Like we're trying to understand some of these dynamics. So that's Jonathan asking that question. And then Kevin is going to answer. So yeah, Kevin, I'm Kevin here. This is how it works. In order to participate, a staker would do this. In fact, let me just share with you, or I'll share the screen about that particular element. So here I'll share what I'm looking at here. So you lots of good questions. And we this has been a great call. Thanks, thanks everybody. And before we do sign off, I want to make sure that we share for those that came the PO app for participation here. So coming, and if anybody has ideas for future community calls, please let us know in the EthStaker Discord. And thanks again. Bye, everyone. Yeah. Let's see. Um, I'm hearing myself actually in the Zoom right now. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm gonna start screen sharing now. Okay. All right, sharing my screen. Yep. Hearing, I'm actually hearing myself though come through. Yep. Showing my screen, looking at text here. I was getting my echo back though. Oh, okay. Yep. Sharing my dashboard here with all my nice charts. I did get audio there for my echo, but it sounds like you knew that. Yeah, okay.